What if the Islamic Golden Age was not just a chapter in history but the foundation of the modern world? Between the 8th and 14th centuries, cities like Baghdad, Cordoba, and Cairo became global centers of knowledge. Under the Abbasid Caliphate, the Bayt al-Hikmah, the House of Wisdom, symbolized a civilization built on scholarship, translation, and intellectual curiosity. But this was not accidental. It was sociological. Knowledge became a social value. Paper production spread from China to the Muslim world, making books more accessible. Scholars translated Greek, Persian, and Indian works into Arabic, preserving and expanding them. Science was not seen as separate from faith. It was a way of understanding divine order. Think of Ibn Sina, whose medical encyclopedia shaped European universities for centuries. Or Al-Khwarizmi, whose work on algebra that gave us algorithms. Or Ibn Rushd, who defended rational inquiry and influenced Western philosophy. Centuries later, Ibn Khaldun analyzed the rise and fall of civilizations. He argued that strong social cohesion, asabiyyah, builds empires, but luxury and internal division weaken them. His theory helps explain not just the Golden Age's rise, but its decline. From a sociological perspective, the Islamic Golden Age shows how institutions shape knowledge. Madrasas, libraries, trade networks, and urban centers created intellectual ecosystems. Scholars were supported by waqf endowments. Knowledge had economic and spiritual value. Power shifts. The Mongol invasion of Baghdad in 1258 disrupted political unity. Trade routes changed. Internal fragmentation reduced cohesion. Civilization is not static. It depends on structure, solidarity, and vision. The paradox is this: the Golden Age thrived on openness, translation, exchange, debate. It declined when fragmentation replaced unity. Today, many speak of innovation as purely technological, but history shows innovation is social. It requires stability, shared purpose, and intellectual courage. The real question is not why did it decline. The deeper question is, what social conditions allow knowledge to flourish again? If this reshaped how you see Islamic history, not as nostalgia, but as sociological insight, subscribe and join this channel where we explore civilization, identity, and power through the lens of social theory.